Are you ready for strong and healthy hair that shines? Forever Living product is introducing Aloe Jojoba Shampoo and Conditioner. Start your hair care routine with Aloe Jojoba Shampoo and Conditioner. Aloe Jojoba Shampoo easily rinses away dirt. It is suitable for all hair types, perfect for whole family. It gently cleans hair and it also helps in maintain scalp's moisture balance. Aloe Jojoba Shampoo not only contains aloe vera, it also contains jojoba oil, argan oil, vitamin B5 and rosehip oil. Hair care routine never stops there. Aloe Jojoba Conditioner provides lightweight moisture for every hair type. It softens and smooths hair. It supports hair and scalp hydration, locking moisture with its powerful formula. It enhances its moisture by containing aloe vera, jojoba oil, argan oil, vitamin E, and rosehip oil. Aloe Jojoba shampoo and conditioner are pH balanced and sulfate free. It features tropical fragrance that leave your hair clean and renewed. So give your hair best of nature. If you want to buy this product, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. This original product you can buy from its distributor only. So never buy Forever Living products from e-commerce site because there is no guarantee to get original product from e-commerce site. And if you do not want to get call from any distributor, do not want to text any distributor, then you can directly buy products from link given in description box. So don't forget to check out description box. Thanks for watching this video.